Children, now we are going to see how to write passive voice for interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means questions. How many types of questions are there, ma? There are two types of questions. One is yes or no type question. Yes or no type of question. Another one is WH question. WH question and yes or no type question. WH question is otherwise called the information question. WH question is called the information question and yes or no type question is called the polar question. Now we are going to see how to write passive voice for yes or no type question. Now see the sentence now. Did he write a letter? Did he write a letter? It is the active voice. How can we write passive voice for this? Any idea? Here, see the object ma, a letter. A letter is an object. Object is in singular. Object is in singular. Did plus write was what? Did plus write wrote. So the verb is in past tense. Verb is in past tense and the object is singular. So what we have to use when we are writing the passive voice? Was plus V3. Was plus V3. The question is in the form of a question sentence is in the form of a question. Understood, Amma? It is a yes or no question or polar question. So what we are writing, the answer also must be in the form of a question. So for question must be started with the verb. Was, then bring the object here. Was a letter, then V3, was a letter written by, here he changed into him. Was a letter written by him. Understood, Amma? You have to note down the object, whether the object is singular or plural. It is singular. Then verb did plus write wrote. The verb is in past tense. So what we have to use in passive voice? Was plus V3. The question form must be, so it is an auxiliary question or a yes or no type question or polar question. So it must be started with the auxiliary verb. Was is the auxiliary verb. So was a letter written by him. Understood? Definitely by practice only we can understand this type of sentences. Next one, ma. Is he watching us? Is he watching us? This is active voice, ma. Here, it is the object. As object is in singular or plural. Object is a plural. Object is a plural. Is watching. Is watching. Verb is in present continuous form. Present continuous. So if the object is a plural and the verb is in present continuous, what we have to use when we are writing passive voice? Or being plus V3. Or being plus V3. So the question must begin with the auxiliary verb are. Or us changed into what be. Or be being. Or be being. Then V3 watch, watched, watched. Or be being watched. Or be being watched by him. Or be being watched by him. Understood, Amma? We will work out two more. Have you invited Raman? Have you invited Raman to the party? Have you invited Raman to the party? Here the party is the object. The object is in singular. Then have invited. Verb is in present perfect. Verb is in the form of present perfect. So the object is singular and the verb is in present perfect. What we have to use when we are writing passive voice? we have to use has been plus V3 when we are writing passive voice. Has been plus V3. So start with the has. Has, then Raman, has Raman been invited? Has Raman been invited by you to the party? Has Raman been invited by you to the party? Sorry children, here the party is not an object, Raman is an object. Raman is the object is singular. So the passive voice is has Raman been invited by you to the party? The question is in the form of a question means the answer also we have to write in the form of a question. Next now, will you help me? Will you help me? Here, me is the object. Object is singular. Will help. Will help is the verb. Will help is the verb. The verb is in the form of simple future tense. Verb is in the form of future tense. Object is singular and the verb is in future tense. What we have to use in passive voice? Will be plus V3. Will be plus V3. So start with a V. Already told you for the question is in the form of a question, the answer also should be in the form of a question. So we have to start with the auxiliary verb will, then bring me. Me changed into I. Will I be helped? Will I be helped by you? Will I be helped by you? Understood, Amma? Next we will see how to write passive voice for WH questions. Let's see now. How did they do this? How did they do this? It is a WH question. So what is the object here? This is the object. Object is singular. Then verb did plus do. Do plus did. Here object is singular and the verb is in past tense. So what we have to use when we are writing passive voice? Was plus V3. Here question word is how. So the answer also we have to start with the how. Next you have to write the verb. How was. Then bring the object. How was this. Then V3. Do, did, done. How was this done by them? How was this done by them? Understood, Amma? The question object is this singular. Then verb do plus did. The verb is in past tense and object is singular means we have to use was plus V3 when we are writing passive voice. It is here the question starts with the how. So in the passive voice also we have to start with the how. Then after the question verb, immediately we have to use auxiliary verb. Here auxiliary verb is was. How was, then you have to bring the object. How was then? How was this? Then verb V3, do, did, done. How was this done by, they changed it to them. How was this done by them? Next one now. When will you finish the work? When will you finish the work? Here, the work is the object. Object is singular. Will plus finish. Will finish is the verb. The verb is in future tense. The verb is in future tense. Object is singular. Verb is in future tense. We have to use will be plus V3 when we are writing passive voice. Will be plus V3. Here the question starts with a when. So answer also we have to start with a when. when immediately we have to use the auxiliary verb will. When will, then object the work. When will the work be, then B3 finished, finished, finished. When will the work be finished? Finished by you. When will the work be finished by you? Understood, Amma? Accept this. Who will accept this? Here, so this is the object. Object is singular. Will plus accept. Verb. Verb is in future tense. So we have to use will be plus V3. Will be plus V3 when we are writing passive voice. Children, the who alone the exceptional case. If the question start with the who, when we are writing passive voice, we have to start with the by whom. By whom will, then object this be V3 accept, accepted, accepted. By whom will this be accepted? Next mark. Who teaches you English? Who teaches you English? Here, you is one object, English is one object. Two objects are here, so we can write two passive voice. Here, teachers. Teachers is the verb. Verb is in present tense. First, we will write the passive voice using the object English. English is the object. Object is singular. Object is singular. Verb is in present tense means we have to use is plus V3. Is plus V3 when we are writing passive voice. By whom, I have already told you the question starts with the whom means answer passive voice we have to start with the by whom. By whom is English. By whom is English. Then V3 teach taught. By whom is English taught to you. By whom is English taught to you. Understood, Amma? Then next object you. You here plural students. So here object is plural. Object is plural and the verb is present tense means we have to use R plus V3. We have to use R plus V3. Here, by whom are you? By whom are you taught? By whom are you taught English? Understood, Amma? Here using the object you, we are writing you is in a plural form, so R plus V3. By whom are you taught English? Here by whom is English taught to you. Understood, children? Children, based on this, many sentences are given to you. If you do, you can understand. If you have any doubt when you are doing or when you are converting one voice to other voice, if you have any doubt, you can ask us. We will clear your doubts. Thank you, children.